The loud crack echoed through the apartment building just after sunrise. I thought someone had dropped a heavy cabinet, but a few seconds later, there was a gentle knock on my door that would quietly change two lonely lives forever. I had no idea that a simple request to tighten a few bolts on a broken bed frame would become the beginning of a story about healing, trust, and finding hope when neither of us was looking for it. Before we begin, if you believe kindness deserves a second chance and that even the smallest act can change someone's life, please like this video, comment, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Kindness Paradise. Your support helps more heartwarming stories reach people who need them most. Life had become painfully quiet for 36-year-old Mason Brooks. After losing his wife to a sudden illness 3 years earlier, he had buried himself in work as a carpenter, spending his days repairing homes while returning every evening to an apartment that felt emptier than the day before. His tools stayed organized. His kitchen remained spotless. Yet nothing could repair the silence waiting behind his front door. The neighbors knew him as the friendly man who always helped carry groceries or fixed loose railings without asking for payment, but very few knew how lonely he truly was. Across the hallway lived 32-year-old Tessa Rowan. She had moved into the building only 6 months earlier after leaving an emotionally exhausting relationship. She smiled politely whenever their paths crossed, but Mason often noticed the sadness hidden behind her eyes. She worked from home as an illustrator, spending long hours near her apartment window where sunlight poured across her drawing table every afternoon. Sometimes he wondered if she was just as lonely as he was, but he never wanted to intrude. That bright Saturday morning, Tessa stood at his door looking embarrassed while holding a loose wooden support beam. She explained that her bed had suddenly collapsed while she was organizing boxes underneath it. She laughed about it, though her cheeks turned slightly red with embarrassment. Mason grabbed his toolbox without hesitation. Helping people had become the closest thing he had to purpose. Her apartment felt warm and welcoming, filled with houseplants, watercolor paintings, and shelves lined with unfinished sketches. Sunlight streamed through the windows, making the entire room glow with peaceful afternoon colors. The broken bed frame sat in the middle of the bedroom with one corner completely separated. Mason immediately saw that several bolts had worked themselves loose over time and one support bracket had cracked under pressure. As he carefully repaired the frame, Tessa quietly brought him a glass of iced tea. Neither of them spoke much. Sometimes comfortable silence says more than words ever can. Mason tightened every bolt twice, replaced the damaged bracket with a stronger steel support from his truck, and reinforced the center beam using solid oak left over from another project. It wasn't just repaired. It was stronger than when it had first been built. When he finally stood and wiped the dust from his hands, Tessa smiled with genuine relief. Then she said something that completely caught him off guard. She smiled playfully and suggested that he lie down on the bed beside her for a moment to make sure it was truly sturdy enough now. For a split second Mason froze, unsure whether he had heard correctly. Then he realized she wasn't flirting carelessly or trying to make him uncomfortable. She was simply trying to replace an awkward situation with laughter after weeks of living under the weight of sadness. They carefully sat on opposite sides of the bed while the frame remained perfectly steady. After a few seconds they both laughed harder than either of them had laughed in years. The sound filled the apartment with something that had been missing from both of their lives. Joy. That unexpected laughter slowly turned into conversation. They spoke about old dreams, favorite books, childhood memories, and the strange ways life sometimes leads people down roads they never expected. Mason admitted how difficult life had become after losing his wife. Tessa quietly confessed that she had spent years believing she wasn't good enough because someone had constantly made her feel that way. Neither of them searched for perfect words. They simply listened. Over the following weeks, their friendship grew naturally. Mason repaired a loose kitchen cabinet while Tessa surprised him with homemade cinnamon bread. They began drinking coffee together on sunny mornings before work. She encouraged him to return to woodworking projects he had abandoned after his loss. He encouraged her to display her artwork at a local community exhibition instead of hiding every painting inside her apartment closet. Little by little, they helped each other become the people they had once been before heartbreak convinced them life would never feel bright again. One afternoon, Mason received devastating news that the small carpentry company where he had worked for 12 years was shutting down. The owner was retiring without a buyer. Overnight, Mason found himself unemployed. Fear returned almost instantly. Bills would continue arriving whether he had work or not. Instead of watching him struggle alone, Tessa reminded him of something he had forgotten. Every repair he completed came with remarkable craftsmanship. Every neighbor trusted him. Rather than searching desperately for another job, she convinced him to start his own small repair business. She designed a beautiful logo, built a simple website, and shared his work throughout the neighborhood. The response amazed them both. Within weeks, Mason's calendar filled with repair requests from families, elderly homeowners, and local businesses. People appreciated not only the quality of his work but also the kindness he showed every customer. Soon he earned more than he ever had before while working on his own terms. As Mason's confidence returned, Tessa also experienced unexpected success. Several visitors at the community art fair purchased her paintings, and one gallery invited her to display an entire collection. For the first time in years, she believed her future could be brighter than her past. If this story is touching your heart so far, please take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe to Kindness Paradise. Stories like these remind us that hope often arrives through ordinary moments we almost overlook. Special request, please comment below with the words, "Kindness builds strong foundations," if you believe one small act of kindness can completely change someone's life. Months later, Mason often smiled whenever he remembered the broken bed frame that had brought them together. It had never been about furniture. It had been about two wounded hearts discovering that healing sometimes begins with a simple offer to help. Neither of them had been searching for romance. They had simply chosen kindness when life gave them the opportunity. The strongest things we build are rarely made from wood, steel, or nails. They are built from patience, compassion, forgiveness, and the courage to trust again after life has broken us. Mason and Tessa learned that while broken furniture can be repaired in an afternoon, broken hearts heal one kind moment at a time. And sometimes, the smallest knock on your front door becomes the beginning of the greatest blessing you never saw coming.